What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Shin Ultraman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw in the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then out towards the left along the top of the eye. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then bending that out. Now I want to round out the top corner of the eye, come down towards the bottom, and it'll round out the inside coming in and then up. In the center, we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, bend this down, and then up. Add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now I'm going to move down and draw a curve, coming down and then up for the lower lip. Let's go up in the center, start with a point, and draw the edge of the mask going up and out toward the left and right side. Now from here, we're just going to curve around the mouth, and then just bend that in towards the bottom. Angle this up and in just underneath the lip. And then draw a straight line across the top. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head, going down, just round out the chin, go across, and we'll bring that back up on the right side. Now before we draw on the top of the head, let's draw that fin coming down the center. We'll go all the way up towards the top of our page, right in the middle, draw a straight line going across. Now on the left side, we're going to draw a straight angle line coming down and then in towards that center point. Bring that down, and then in. Go to the top right and do the same thing. Pulling this down and then in towards the bottom. Now that we have the fin, let's close off the top of the head. We'll start back over on the left side, curve this out, go up, and just bend that in towards the side of the fin. Let's line that up on the right, go all the way around, come down, and then in. Let's add those extensions on the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step up, and goes down and out, and we'll line that up on the right. Now from the end, we're just going to curve this down and bend that in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to move down and draw the right arm crossing the body. We're going to start on the right side underneath the head, bend this out, and then bring that down towards the elbow. Now the forearm, we're going to come in, and then bend that up towards the wrist. Let's draw on the pinky. We'll go out, round out the finger, and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to stack two more fingers in behind. Starting from the tip of the pinky, we'll go out, bend that in, go to the top on the side, go all the way around. I'm just going to bend the forearm, coming across, and then down, just aiming towards the elbow. Let's add a trim across the forearm. Starting from the right side, curve down, and across towards the bottom. Let's open up the shoulder, starting from the top, curve down, and then out. Now from the top, we're going to step in, bend this down, and then in on top of the arm. And we'll go to the center of the head along the bottom. On the left, bend this in and then down. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to move over and bend the left arm underneath the right hand. So it's going to line up the top of the arm, bend this out, and then down. Come down underneath the hand, round out the elbow, and then just bend that back up underneath the hand. Now line up the inside of the forearm above the hand and draw three fingers. Let's start with the first finger, going up towards the head, and then bend that down. And layer two more fingers out towards the left. From the top, go up and then down, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's line up the hand underneath the finger and add a trim, going out and then in. Let's add the edge of the body on the right side, curving this up and then in. Let's line this up underneath the arm, bend this down towards the hip. Now the left hip is going to be in behind the elbow, so on the right side, I'm just going to curve this in and then down towards the center. Bend this back up and out underneath the elbow on the left side. Now I want to continue these two curves underneath the arm, coming in towards a center point. From that bottom point, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Just leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel. Go over towards the right, bend this out, and then down towards the right heel. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down, and then up. Now from the outside of the foot, let's go up towards the top, and just bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and close off the side of the leg. Let's start from the right side, from the hip, then the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's line this up underneath the left elbow, go out, and then down. Now I'm going to add that trim across the top of the leg. Starting from the inside of the left leg, bend this up, and then out. Then from the top, bend this out, and then down towards the side of the leg. Now from the top of the foot on the outside, bend this up and in, come in and then down. Let's line it up on the right side. Now I'm going to trace these curves along the bottom. Starting on top of the foot, going up, come down towards the inside, and then we'll add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. You want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Shin Ultraman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.